Do you have an upcoming telehealth visit with your CMH Raiter Family Clinic provider? In this video, we'll show you how to join your visit using an iOS or Android device. Give yourself at least 15 minutes to set up and get connected. Make sure your device is fully charged and that you have a reliable internet connection. Sit in a quiet space away from distractions and unnecessary noise. Here's how to join your visit if you're an iOS or iPhone user. Step 1. A few minutes before your appointment is scheduled to begin, you'll receive a text message that looks similar to this one. Click the blue link to join the call. Step 2. You'll be prompted once or twice to allow camera and microphone access. Click Allow to give Doximity permission to access your camera and mic. Step 3. Once you're in the call, you'll be able to see and speak with your provider. Here's how to join your visit if you're an Android user. Step 1. A few minutes before your appointment is scheduled to begin, you'll receive a text message that looks similar to this one. Click the blue link to join the call. Step 2. You'll be prompted once or twice to allow camera and microphone access. Click Allow. Step 3. Once you're in the call, you'll be able to see and speak with your provider. We hope this brief tutorial has been helpful in joining your telehealth visit. If you are experiencing other technical difficulties after following these steps, please contact the clinic by calling 218-879-1271.